Sorry I didn't get to record Friday. I got called into work. And then Monday I had to work because that was my next day off. So now I'm off today, which is Thursday? Yeah, Thursday. I'm a third shifter, so I can't keep up with my days. But we almost have the head off. We've got the belt off now. And it was an original belt, which is always fun for an older car. I'm hoping that this whole virus thing doesn't cancel Cars and Coffee because I was really looking forward to it. But as of right now, we don't know anything. See you in a little bit.
Still a bolt in it. Well, Charlie.
Sorry.
You had one job.
Is that heavy?
Just a little bit. Got that intake on it. This ain't a 1.5 Honda.
Oh my God.
Ain't she pretty? See any place that's blowed?
I don't know. I'm learning.
It was leaking, just a little bit. Look at it. Ain't it pretty? These are what pistons look like that haven't had a valve kiss them. This is why you don't take a pry bar and pry against this pulley to tighten it. I don't know how that belt didn't break. Alright everybody. I had said on my channel that I'd make a head gasket video for this car, and I didn't, because it's her car. But one thing I do want to say, you don't have to take the intake off if you take these two bolts out of the bracket or the one down here. You just take the head off with the intake on it. Make sure you use the tight fitting metric Allen wrench, I think it's a 10, that fits these bolts, or you'll have a bad time. You gotta take the oil pan off to get the oil pump off, and that's what we're doing next. You can leave the cams in it. She dented her car. She hit it with the water pump. Poor Romana.
We'll be back with more tomorrow.
We'll be back with more tomorrow. Stay tuned for more interesting shenanigans.
Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.